What's up, vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. It seems that the National Archives may have accidentally released pictures of the Roswell UFO crash site. Pictures no one's ever seen before, at least that we know of. Now, this is kind of spreading like wildfire right now, and people are sharing again, some photos of the alleged UFO crash site at Roswell that no one's seen, right? Going back a long ways, right? I mean, Roswell's the original. It's the OP. It's the most famous UFO case ever. And this may be the first alleged pictures of this crash site. Now, these images are available in the National Archives, so this isn't just somebody releasing this, right? This is clearly put together, and it is an official record here. So let's take a look. Now, I will say there may be a little confusion on this, but we'll get to that in a minute. Let's take a look at the original photos that were put out, again, from the National Archives. It's in a video format. You'll see people basically videotaped photos. So you'll see what I mean. Take a look. Now, let's break this down a little bit because I agree. I mean, really just don't even know what you're looking at, right? It's just under a Roswell file. They show you this, so you think it's the crash site. Is that what's really going on? I don't know. But here is part of the original video where this comes from, because it's basically put as UFO, researchers are there filming, B-roll basically for documentaries and TV shows and stuff. And they're using books and magazines and all this stuff and photos. So it's hard to tell if this is like legitimate, right, from documents from the government or just, you know what I mean? Just available stuff we can get now. So maybe able to find these pictures already, right? But as you could see here, right, this is the original video where this comes from. It's just different photos, books, these guys are just filming stuff for B-roll. That's literally what it is. So I don't know if this is the Roswell crash site, but why would it be included if it's not? Like, what crash site is it? What area is it? What is that, right? If it's not that crash site, what crash site is it? That doesn't make any sense. So it does make sense that it would be Roswell. Now, does this mean that a UFO crashed there? I don't know. People are saying they see the UFO in the crash. I don't really see that. But who knows? It is very interesting, and we'll have to see if more information comes out about this. But yeah, very, very interesting. All right, vetters, look, I'll put a link down below so you can go check this out for yourself and see what you think. Let me know down in the comments. Is this you see a UFO in these images? Right? I don't know. I don't know. All right, vetters, we'll see you in the next one. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.